Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change skins for your legends in Apex Legends. So in order to do that, we'll need to click on the Legends button. From here, select any character you want. So for example, I'm gonna pick that one. Click Details. Now in the skins, you'll be able to select any skin that you want, but keep in mind that some of them needs require download. You'll be also able to change a banner also if you want, its pose, badge, tracker, and ready, the animations for skydiving, trail, emotes, hollow spray, and emoji pack. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.